Man, this pond sure does look rough. And it looks like I'm the only one here at the homestead to clean it up. Sure wish there was someone that could help.
You think I leave the homestead, Jacques? I don't. I'm here to help, and today it's the pond planting party.
Let's do it.
Jacques thinks I would leave my precious pond. Little does he know I was lying in wait, just waiting for him to complain, and we came bearing gifts. So we have all sorts of new pond plants, some new, some old actually, and we're gonna do an audit of the pond, see what's going on, say hello to the koi, and see if we can get this thing looking really good. I'm gonna go change. Jacques is gonna run you through some of the new plants that we just got.
So I'm probably gonna say most of these wrong, but I'm gonna use the common name. We got golden sword rush. It's a nice tall plant. I'm thinking that would look really cool in the back there where the water comes out. And maybe some of this squiggly guy here. This is the blue corkscrew rush. So I think we're triple rushed up here. Doesn't look the happiest right here, but this is one we had before they got overtaken by that red plant that I'm blanking on the name on. This is the hawthorn. It kind of smells like vanilla, which was really interesting. And then this guy is actually a canna. So this is canna longsword. And canna is one of those classic plants people normally grow ornamentally. I had no idea it was a water plant, so that's really cool. But we got a little bit of cleanup to do first. To take a look at the pond itself, what we have here is a lot of string algae. So I think I'll probably get like a planting mattock or something light, and try to scoop up some of this algae as best we can, just to give it a little bit of a refresh. And then we're pretty much good to start popping these in. I'm gonna start by putting in the easiest plants here, which I think were mislabeled as a water lettuce, but they have these like little bladders, so they actually float. So I'm pretty sure if I do this, that's all there is to it.
Here we are. I've got my Felco 322s to make short work of this guy right here. Jacques got a leaf rake.
Today it's gonna be an algae rake. I'm gonna just kind of get in there and see if I can scoop out any of the string algae.
Look at the leaf matting here, or the root matting.
Oh my God.
Crazy.
It's an actual mat.
It's a true mat. So I think what I'd like to do is cut this down by a significant amount. And it's actually, like we knew, kind of drowning out this water hawthorn here.
Yeah, I remember.
So see the pot?
Oh, yeah.
I can't actually access this pot. So it's all in here, but I don't think it's making it.
Okay, well, this is working. Definitely got some algae.
So there's our water hawthorn. Rest in peace. We got
still there.
usurped and taken over. So I'm gonna just start cutting this out here.
So watch this, when I hit the bottom here, you'll see a bunch of air bubbles from the photosynthesis. Boop, 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 boop. That's really cool.
Oh.
I like that. I'm gonna kind of scrub the rocks a little bit.
I'm actually debating removing this plant entirely.
Yeah?
It's so prolific that it's going to destroy.
I guess if you cut it down to literally one branch, it'll still
come back, because here it is. Oh no, this is the water hawthorn tag. The remnants.
I like planting something. So here's this guy. Pond soil does not have that same hit. It smells good.
Doesn't it? It's different in a
It's
bad
different.
way. So hopefully Rush can survive a root cut.
Honestly, I don't know anything about aquatic plants, but they seem to be pretty tolerant.
They seem to be more hardy, don't they?
Yeah, they just want water.
We have officially solved the top section. Need to let that grow in. On to our lilies. So Jacques, what are you doing over here?
I'm gonna just kind of come in and try to clean up some of these rotting dead leaves, just to give it a little more room to breathe.
Yeah, the lilies, we had a fantastic season of lilies, and they're actually still going. You can see this one almost is closed for the day. But they have come back a bit. They used to actually spread almost into the middle of the pond. And I think what's going on is just, their season is coming to an end, their super productive season. And we need to prune those back and honestly set a couple more up in different areas, because the more surface you have covering, the happier your fish are gonna be, because they feel safer, but also the less evaporation is gonna come. And as it's summer right now and we have water restrictions, we really wanna be conscious of that. What's that?
I don't know.
Dead flower? Or are those eggs?
I think so.
Of what though?
I don't know.
Ooh, it's like jelly.
It's jelly.
So this is a canna. This is canna longwood raw. unfortunately, I can't really get these roots out. So I'm gonna have to rip the bottom off. So this is gonna go in the Aquascape aquatic grow bag, and we're gonna use Aquascape's potting medium as well. So their growing media, their potting media is perfect for lilies, but should also work quite well for these particular aquatics like this canna here. So I'll put a little base layer down. No amendments needed, it's ready to go. In we are with our canna. I think, again, I wanna keep with that tall on the back theme. So I'm gonna slide by you here, Jacques. I'm gonna go in right about here.
Oh yeah, that should look great.
And that'll get a lot more solid once. Okay, so the question here on these lilies is, where do we want one that has this beautiful blue flower? Because we have yellow and pink over there, and we need to cover a little more space here. So I think we had a lot of success, Jacques, placing it on this like lowered shelf here.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking actually right about here should look really good.
And then I wonder if something could sit there.
It is gonna take a little time for this to reset itself, because this is not looking super, super healthy, but all I know is last time we put these straight in and they did end up coming back to life.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna remove this guy. I don't think it's really doing much for us here. So we've got the blue there. I think we could probably get away, Jacques, with right underneath in front of this papyrus.
I totally think that would look great.
Yeah.
And that one, I can't remember if that one's like a pinker one.
Right in about there, I think, would look amazing.
Oh yeah, that's gonna look really nice. It's cool how far these leaves reach out from where the pot is.
We'll start to see, honestly, when this grows again, we'll actually start to see it cover the entire middle. I'm telling you, nothing like getting sloppy in the pond. Look at this. Chuck this in the compost pile. Whew. Ah! Oh!
You got bead?
I think I got bead.
I think something was just crawling on your hand.
Woo!
I don't know what it was.
I think I just got
a wasp.
Something hit me deep. I'm bleeding.
I saw something.
Oh, actually oh yeah, there's a stinger. Ah! Ooh! So how about this, Jacques? We have the new planting plan. It's gonna grow in pretty soon, guys, but what I'm gonna do is turn this back on. Let's see how this looks, and I think we're gonna need to plant those water lettuce.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure they don't fly around. Ooh! It's been a couple days. We wanted to give a quick reset, let the pond do its thing, and I have to say, Jacques, the koi are out, the lilies are pumping, this beautiful sort of violet one is coming in, it's looking really good.
Nice.
I think we did a pretty good job here. There's a couple changes I might make. I think these floaters need to be secured in a little bit better way, but having a lily there and having a lily there, eventually, especially once spring comes back around and they start to really grow, I think you'll see most of this get covered.
And they're all different colors now. So
different colors.
Amazing.
And these koi are just sucking up some of that algae. It's really wild, but I haven't really fed the koi much here at the homestead.
Yeah.
They've been mostly feeding off the algae and sizing up pretty well. So I'm just gonna keep doing it. If it works, it works. I'm really curious, Jacques, to see how this stuff starts to grow in. Maybe this stuff over here, we put the water hawthorn right down there.
It looks great.
But guys, now we need your help. This is a call to arms. What do we put around the pond? We already figured out the inside, but please comment down below. What should we put around the pond? And with that said, good luck in the garden and keep on growing.
You think I leave the homestead, Jacques?